In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a document with DocHub. Whether you need a copy on your computer, want it in your cloud drive, or plan to email it to someone, I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share simple tips so your file looks the way you expect when it reaches its destination. First, open DocHub by going to docHub.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, locate the document you want to export and click it to open it in the editor. Give the page a second to load and glance over the document to confirm it's the correct version. DocHub typically saves changes automatically, so anything you've edited should be ready to export. Now look to the top right of the toolbar for the export control. In some layouts it appears as export, and in newer versions you might see export or send. Click that. This opens the export menu, which is where you decide how and where your document will go. You'll see several destinations. Download or computer saves a copy to your device, which is perfect when you need offline access or you plan to upload it somewhere else later. Save to Google Drive, save to Dropbox, and export to OneDrive. Send the file straight to your connected cloud storage, keeping everything organized in one place. Email as attachment creates a file you can send directly by email, convenient when you want to share a final copy without managing a link. If you simply want a file on your computer right now, choose Download to Computer. Depending on your choice, DocHub may ask you to select a format. PDF is the recommended default because it preserves layout across devices. PDF with annotations includes your comments and markups, useful when others need to see your notes. Flattened PDF turns the document into a non-editable version, which is best for finalized forms and signatures. Original file type may be available in some cases, and it keeps the document in the same format it started with. Pick the option that matches how the recipient should view or use the file. Finally, click Download to confirm. Your browser will save the file to its default download folder, and you can watch for the usual download notification. If you chose a cloud destination or email, simply wait for the confirmation that the export is complete. That's it. You've exported your document from DocHub with confidence, using the method and format that fit your needs.